In this lesson, we'll review a math question from the problem solving section. We're on page 45, question 13 out of 16, and this is a moderate to difficult problem. It's a level 4. If n is a positive integer and 2 to the n plus 2 to the n plus 1 equals k, what is 2 to the n plus 2 in terms of k? So this is a complicated problem, and I don't think there's any doubt the best way to solve this problem is by putting in values, because all students, I think, will work better in concrete terms instead of abstract problem solving. So even though this is a difficult problem, the best way to solve it, let's put in a value. So let's go through the steps. We have 2 to the n plus 2 to the n plus 1 equals k. Okay, we don't know what n is, so we're going to start by just substituting a value for each of these. So we're going to use the same n, and a good rule for picking values, avoid 1, because you might end up with what's called a false positive, where more than one right answer choice works, but 2 is a great number. So let's just substitute n equals 2. All right, and then we're going to follow the rules. So if n equals 2, then we have to figure out what k is. So now we're going to have, remember, we plug in 2, so we have 2 squared plus 2 to the n plus 1 is 2 cubed. So that's going to be 4. 2 cubed is 8. So 4 plus 8 equals k, and our k equals 12. You have to follow the rules, and we've done that. Now the question is asking, here are the two values. What is 2 to the n plus 2? Remember, we already picked our n as 2, so now we're looking, when we solve the problem, we're looking for 2 to the 4th, right? N plus 2 to the 4th, and then 2 to the 4th equals 16. So this is the hard part. If you can just set this up and work through the steps, follow the rules, then it turns into sort of a mathematical, mechanical problem. We have variables in the answer choice. We're just going to substitute, and we're looking for an answer of 16. Again, if you don't follow this, you can review this lesson, but this is really a great method. We've picked n equals 2. We know k is 12. We are looking, the call of the question is asking for 2 to the n plus 2, which is 16. We've made all those concrete. So we're looking for 16. All right, so our k, remember, is 12. 12 minus 1 is 11 over 2, and 11 over 2 is definitely not 16. 4 times k, let's go up here again. 4 times k, 4 times 12 is 48 over 3, and that equals 16. You can really just stop there. That's the answer. You could see 2 times k, that's 24. Here it'd be 25, and here it'd be 12 times 12 is 144. Only one right choice if you do it correctly. I really think this makes it much more manageable. All right, the answer here is B. See you next time. Thanks for watching.